Hello traders, welcome back to the Chart Whisperer, where we only trade when the market pays us to. Tuesday today, so let's get right into it. Yesterday we had basically no movement. Price pretty much closed when it opened across almost all the instruments actually. So nothing has changed in terms of level count. The pound again, I want to go short. We'll talk about entry opportunities later, but I definitely want to go short. Reverse this. This is level 3 behavior. I've got everything I need there. The euro, I've somewhat changed my mind. Yesterday, if you recall, or if you watched the video, I had two levels of rise marked there, and I hadn't necessarily marked this as a level of rise. Even as I look at it right now, I don't want to think of it as much of a level of rise as it is a peak formation high. I think this is what's most relevant. I mean, it could have been a two levels rise before reversal happened. It's normal after a reset. So either way, I've got a peak formation high here unless price comes and breaks it. But for now, I am anticipating short. This is my level 3 over here. USDCAD looks like it did two levels of drop and then looks like it could be reversing actually. I count two levels from this peak here, and if that really is the case, I expect one more level of rise, maybe to last week's high before price changes direction again, but I am going long here. Dollar Swiss, that one I had two levels of drop. I haven't necessarily had enough confirmation for a level 3 again. Was it a reset for it to become? No, it was just. Oh, it's this mess from the Swiss franc. You know what? I'm gonna stay out of this for a while. Until this big move here made make things quite complicated. So I'm just gonna stay out for a while until it sorts itself out. Plenty of opportunities elsewhere. EURGBP, two levels of drop clear. I don't have any doubts there. I expect one more level of drop. Yeah, that's it with the EURGBP. Euro Swiss franc, I had one level of drop and some madness. I don't like what's going on here. It seems like it's driven by the Swiss franc more than the euro because it's almost identical to dollar Swiss. But for level count reasons, I still want to short here. I'm not entirely sold. This is a peak formation low, mostly because of this move again. But yeah, I'm gonna expect short, and if I'm wrong again today, then I'll probably sit out until it sorts itself out. GJ completed the cycle and then rose here. So according to this was a reset. So I actually want to go long here. You can probably tell that I'm doubting that myself because I want to think about the pound dollar and everything else. I want to go short, but for now, just for level from a level point count of view, I'm gonna look to go long here. Although a lot tells me that this is just they were extending it for one more level, then they're gonna reverse from here. But yeah, I'll still be looking for longs until they have reversed for sure. And finally, EJ, this one completed three levels of drop. I mean, of rise, very clear. This might be the first leg of our M, we'll see. But I want to go short, plain and simple. Now let's take a look at our entry opportunities. The cable, of course, standard procedure. I want to get them at the initial, if not yesterday's high. We'll see, but somewhere along here is where I want to go short. Euro, like I said, I want to short this, so it will be just at the initial high of the day as well. I want to grab them there. Again, if something presents. Dollar CAD, I will take them long should I get an opportunity to do so. Somewhere around here, although the ADR low is a bit close. Not much movement, wiggle room, but doesn't look too bad. Oh, please excuse me. doesn't look too bad. So yeah, I could go long there. Dollar Swiss, like I said, I'm gonna give it a breather. EURGBP, we wanna go short. The only option is the initial high of the day. Yesterday's high is not an option, plain and simple. Euro Swiss, like I said, I want to short, especially because I'm shorting the euro. Okay, they look like they want to do something right now. Hey, but there is that ADR then. There's that ADR. It's a bit too close for my liking. It's a pair that doesn't have much volatility, granted, but nope, 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 nope. I will not get involved in the Euro Swiss franc today. And I will cautiously look for longs on GJ. And finally, EJ. Finally, EJ. Sorry about that. I would want to go short. Oof, this has got the makings of a first leg as well. If they just come back up there for me. Second legged formation, I would be more than happy to take a short here. Yeah, I would love to get that opportunity. Yeah, that'll be my watch list for today. Again, if you found any value in this, please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. I try to make them every day. One of these weeks I'm gonna make it 5 out of 5 in a week. Okay, I'm gonna get there. But yeah, also in the descriptions you'll see there are 2 links. One go takes you to a Telegram channel. There you'll find my macro overview. I haven't put one out in a while, I think a week now. I always say I put them there when they're necessary. I am BTMM driven, and that means macro events are significant at only at certain times in the month. For now, not so much, but join the channel so that you can get the message when I put it up there. And then also there's a discussion group in there, BTMM traders community, you know the drill. Beginner, advanced, expert, no matter the level, there's always something you can gain from another trader, especially if you're trading the same system or similar principles. So yeah, do hit that link and join us in the discussion group. That is all I have to say for today. I hope you guys have an ultra profitable trading day, and I will see you in the next video.